Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ryan with Flagship out front of a potential new buy for us here in Lagrange, Georgia. Here's the front of the house. Let's take a look. Here we are outside of a property here on Brownwood Avenue, Lagrange, kind of in town Lagrange, old mill house. Show you the front. We'll walk around a little bit. This is one that I'm actually under contract about this one, and you can't really tell, but there's one next door, 1706, that we're looking at buying. So this is doing my initial walkthrough, making sure I kind of want to buy it. The outside, not too bad. It's got old asbestos siding, but it's in good shape. We can just paint everything, paint the block around. Needs a new roof, needs a new AC, but pretty standard stuff, and needs a good bit of junk removal. There's a bunch of trash and a shed full of stuff back there. The guy who owned this house was a collector. So if we walk through, this one is actually in decent shape. The smell is horrendous in here, and it's got a major bug problem, as you may or may not be able to see. We'll handle all that. Kitchen's in decent shape. Probably keep these cabinets and paint everything, put new hardware, new appliances, granite countertops in here. Think about keeping this one as a rental. It's a small 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Got a living room here. It's really got this cool kind of wood ceiling look. I like it. I'm gonna try and keep it, just kind of clean it up. Paint everything in here. This room has really nice hardwood floors, and these other rooms have LVP throughout. So I don't know if there's hardwood underneath the LVP or what, but hopefully there is. But this is a bedroom here. Got your closet, nice wood paneling. And then your second bedroom here. The weird thing about this house is there's one bathroom in here, and the only entrance to the bathroom is through this main bedroom. So in the bathroom, you can see we've got the floor caving in a little bit. We've obviously got an old leak there, so we'll have to rip the tub out, fix the subfloor, and do all that. The other thing we're gonna try to do in here is this is where on the other side of that bedroom is where the hot water heater is. We're gonna try and relocate this hot water heater and cut in a door in this bedroom to the bathroom so that you have access to the bathroom from both bedrooms. So that'll help it be a little bit more functional. And then your living room here, we'll just paint everything. It's actually not too bad. It's just kind of nasty, and it needs a new roof and needs a new AC, so it'll be kind of expensive, but not too bad. But excited about this one. I think it'll be a good one for us.